यहाँ का करिकुलम कैसा है, व्हाट अबाउट फैकल्टीज, व्हाट इज द प्लेसमेंट एंड इंटर्नशिप इज गोइंग देयर, दिस इंटर्नशिप इज आल्सो पेड या नॉन पेड इंटर्नशिप, व्हाट इज द फीस ऑफ आरबीयू इन बीबीए, इज इट वर्थ इट फॉर द स्टूडेंट और नॉट। सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू यूट्यूब चैनल। तो अभी हम लोग आ चुके हैं बेंगलोर, और बेंगलोर में एक बहुत ही फेमस कॉलेज है जिसका नाम है RBCE। एक्चुअली इनका दो है, एक RBCE कॉलेज है और एक यूनिवर्सिटी है जिसको अभी जस्ट इन्होंने बनाना ही शुरू किया है। तो RBU का हमें वो स्टूडेंट मिले हैं, ठीक है, और ये बीबीए ब्रांच से ये बिलोंग करती है, ठीक है। तो सोचा हम लोगों ने पहले RBU का पहले एक बार रिव्यू कर लेते हैं, और फिर दूसरे वीडियो जो आएगा उसमें हम RBC का वीडियो का स्टूडेंट का रिव्यू कर लेंगे, ठीक है। तो अभी हम पहले इनसे नाम वगैरह पूछ लेते हैं, इंट्रोडक्शन क्या है। व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Hema, and I am pursuing BBA at RV University. So this is my second year in RVU.
तो ये सेकेंड ईयर से है, ओके। तो पहला जो सवाल रहेगा हमारा ये रहेगा कि यहाँ का करिकुलम कैसा है, वो आप बताओ।
Okay. So in RVU it's a different program where we get to choose majors and minors. So it's not just one specialization. We get to choose from other minors, from other department. It can be like film, or it can be any other department we can get to choose. So this is one of the special curriculum which is done in RVU.
तो इनका कहना है कि करिकुलम यहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छा कराया जाता है। व्हाट अबाउट फैकल्टीज़?
Faculties are friendly, and we get to see the faculties from IITs and IIMs, so which we are like blessed to have those kind of faculties in our RVU.
जैसे कि आपको पता है कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस हैं, ठीक है, जो BBA कराती है, ओके। देयर आर मैनी कॉलेजेस आर डूइंग BBA, बट हाउ इज RVU डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दैट कॉलेजेस?
So yeah, even I was aiming for other universities, but then when I saw the RVU course structure and also its major minor course, see, especially me, I want to do my majors in business analytics. At the same time, I can do minors in film studies. So this is one of the like unique kind of curriculum which is based only in RVU and which is not got in any other universities. So I think RVU is the best choice for that, and also it's a flexible curriculum. Like you get to use entrepreneurship and also product development. These are like different courses, and also we have something called as design thinking. So over there in that course structure, we get to see like what are the product we have. We get to the solution. So we get to find the problem and the solution for it. So these are the unique features in RVU.
Just you know about this RV colleges belong to top 5 colleges in Bangalore, okay. There are many, NIF ranking is also good in these colleges. So what is the placement and internship is going there?
Okay, so talking about the placements, I don't know much about the RVCE, but RVU has a very good placements as it's the name itself said RV, which has got a very grand name. And talking about the internship, yeah, in the first year we get to do internship in an social internship. So we had to do an internship in an NGO. So it can be any NGO. And in the second, in the coming years, we have to do the internship in a company. So it's left to us, marketing or what are the internship which we get for a company base. So that's what is there in RVU.
Okay. Any internship, you are talking about the internship. This internship is also paid or non-paid internship?
So first year we'll be getting to do an internship in NGO, as I said. So in that it's not a paid internship. As it's an NGO, we don't get incentives. But as well as in the other companies, which company which we get, it depends on the particular company. So that is the main option over here.
Okay. And last question is that what is the fees of RVU in BBA?
RVU fees in BBA actually compared to like other universities, we get to like compared to like other colleges, like the renowned colleges for BBA, I guess RVU is having the best like fee structure, and also it's a particular base for each and every year. So I think that would be a very best option for people to choose RVU.
Can you explain that what is your fees of 3 years in BBA?
So the fee structure actually it varies sometimes. So it's not like an approximate fee structure, but I guess it will be
What do you pay?
2 lakhs per year.
2 lakhs per year is a total BBA per year, no?
Per year.
Okay. Some questions like what is the fest culture of RBU?
Yeah, RVU like it has got festival culture in all the like language based university, like Onam we celebrate. We also celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. So it's not like a particular state festival. We celebrate all the festivals. And also talking about the BBA, as I said, BBA we have a like unique feature on BBA honors. So it's not like a 3-year degree, but it's a 4-year degree which we'll be doing over here, and we'll be getting BBA honors. Like as we have seen BTech honors, the same will be getting BBA honors in our college.
And what about you are doing here BBA? It's a totally practical course, right? Okay. What about in RBU is doing a practical knowledge giving there from RBU?
So the practical knowledge, suppose now I had marketing practicals. In marketing practicals, they'll give us some brand names. So we need to discuss about the product, the price, and also the promotion, how we will do for the particular brand. So that is what is like what practical things which we do in marketing.
Are you doing a industrial visit like that? How people works in corporate life?
Yeah, we do have industry visits when the faculty and the dean members, they take us.
Last is one of the best question for the student if I am doing BBA, right, and last of time I am going to the corporate, how we are working in corporate, यहाँ पे दे रहा है वो चीज़ माहौल की, कैसे यहाँ पे करा रहे हैं प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज वगैरह, इज
See,
दैट?
whatever the internship which we do, we have to present it over here. It's not just doing an internship and showing a certificate. So whatever we have done, we need to do a structure. We need to present it over them with the PPT, with the reports, or like what were the things which we have done, what we understood, what is the solution, and what is summary, and what are the suggestions which we will give for the company which we did internship. So these are the things which we'll be doing in our internship. And also, as I said, we have to present the internship. So we have to present it on the screen. We have to present to the jury members that we did these kind of things and these kind of things happen. So these are like the things which we'll be doing in the corporate also. It will be helpful for us to presentation over there also. So
Okay. Some last question. Is it worth it for the student or not?
Today is actually worth it for doing a BBA honors in RVU because I particularly am from a like business school, so it's totally worth it for doing a BBA honors in RVU.
Please give me the 2 pros of the RVU and 2 cons of the RVU colleges.
Okay, talking about the 2 pros, it's flexible structure and also about the minor and major program, which is very good. So these are the pros I would give, and also about the pros I could give like they also organize fest and everything. Cons at the same time, it's about fest only. Like talking about, as we have seen, in RVC they organize concerts and all, which I have not seen much more in RVU. So I think that would be a best option if RVU also initiated in our college, as we only get to participate in RVC's concerts. So I have not come across the RVU concerts yet, so that would be a best option. And talking about other than extracurricular activities, I would say the other con would be it's actually now it's a developing university, so many more construction work are going on. So if it's much more,
अगर आप BBA करने के लिए सोच रहे हो वो भी बैंगलोर में, तो ये वर्थ इट है उनके लिए जो आ रहे हैं, और आपके अपने हिसाब से थोड़ा सा बता दो कि क्या सीख के आना चाहिए उन्हें.
So it's truly worth it for doing a BBA honors in RV because of its, first of all, its brand name, and also about the major minors. So you get to have you get to explore all the different specializations over here, and you have it's not just a curriculum based only on that particular thing. You get to explore all other streams also. And also your friends and faculty members they are so friendly, and the atmosphere over here is also so good, and to see the environment, it's a very good environment to be in. So I think this would be a very best opportunity for the upcoming juniors also to join over here.
Okay, thank you for that. And अगर आपको इनके रिगार्डिंग कोई भी क्वेरी है RVU के रिगार्डिंग, अगर आप BBA करना सोच रहे हो, ठीक है, तो मैम का मैं लिंक्डइन का अकाउंट दे दूंगा डिस्क्रिप्शन में, वहाँ से आप डायरेक्टली मैम से भी पूछ सकते हो, या आपको डायरेक्टली मेरे से भी कोई क्वेरी रहती है कॉलेज की रिगार्डिंग, अगर आप बेंगलोर में कॉलेज देख रहे हो BTech BBA BCA के लिए, तो आप मेरे को भी DM करके पूछ सकते हो. तो अभी तक के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू फॉर दैट मैम. ओके, थैंक यू.